Well, I've just grouted this floor DIYs. So I'm just doing the last piece now, which is this the floor tile in the niche. I'm running I'm running a little bit short of time. I won't have time to do my floor wastes, the centre and that doorway there, but I'll be back in a couple of weeks. I need to take the door off here, give it a bit of a trim and then lay that tile. But she wants a bit more done in the laundry, so it's another day's work. But I've done the ensuite and bathroom in this place, and it's been a joy to be here, you know. Cup of tea every morning when I arrive here. It was a bummer. I was trying to cut out a bit of plastic and I chipped my tile, but hey, you get that, and then it's a hell of a job to get, you know, scrape your glue and bash out your glue and all that, because it's been a couple of days, so it's dried. But yeah, it's come out lovely. Once I've siliconed it, I'll be packing up my tools now, and I'll turn my fan on. It'll give it half an hour to dry. And then I can silicon it and hit the road. It's Friday. Come back and do the bit she wants. It's just a straight wall, what she wants now. There's enough tiles. She wants a straight wall in the laundry done. So yeah, easy. All good. I reckon that looks quite effective myself. I'm a fan of the large tile, even in a bathroom this size. Give me 12 by 6 any day. The big suckers, I love them. Harder to do. People think it's easier because they're a bigger tile, but no. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Finish that off with a bit of silicone. Quite effective. DIYs, quite effective. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll see you Tuesday, because we're going away for the weekend. So it's Friday now. I'm going to take Saturday, Sunday, Monday off, and I'll be starting another one Tuesday, and I'll see you then. This is the bathroom. It's 90% done. She's got to get a handyman in. I could do it for her, but oh boy. Oh, a bit of dirty water. I could do it for her, but I haven't got time, eh? I've got too much tiling to do without doing handyman stuff. But these are going to be her towel rails. See that? She's going to get them put up here, 2 of them. Yeah, quite cool. Because it's sort of everything's blue and white. The lady of the house just has come in and walked past. But that's the shower screen fitted. That's quite neat too. See that? Quite snaz. I quite like that. She wanted one that would open like that instead of opening against the door here, against the wall, and then the door opens and bashes against the glass and all that. So that's not a bad idea. Brilliant. Okay. A few things to go up on the wall, but yeah, all good. A few things to go up on the wall here and here, because I tiled that as well. Okay, we'll see you soon. Ciao.